I wanted to do a quick video to give a demo and answer a question that came in on social media about how to use the Dinsha system of light therapy with COVID-related neurological or nervous system symptoms that are going on. What a great question, and this is such a beautiful treatment that you can add into something like that. So what I want to give you a little bit of background. This is a book called Let There Be Light, and it's got what's called the Dinsha or chromotherapy method of light therapy in it. And I have been so drawn to light therapy for years. And right around 2020, as the pandemic was starting, I was looking at how to combine light and sound, how to combine this method specifically into body work, to energy work. And as I was looking around for information, I didn't find very much, but I did find one person in Canada. And so I contacted her. Her name's Hazel Butterworth, beautiful woman, and she has, her website is albertareiki.com. And we had some conversations about how she was using Dinsha's method in with Reiki. And I do medical Qigong. All energy work is very related. And so I loved her ideas and her concepts, and I've been working with them ever since. So with that, I'm going to show you some modifications on Dinsha's method, on how to use it. It's a little bit simpler, I think, and it's still, the results are excellent. So with that, on this method, it uses a lamp like this, and it's got gel filters, special gel filters here. And I got a whole set of these. You can buy a set from a lighting store, and I'll put a link to them. It's a Stage Lighting Company, and they have a special set called the Dinsha set of light filters, gel filters. And it also comes, or you can order it, I think you have to get it separate, but this is just a little frame, cardboard frame holder that you can put the gel filters into. And they all have little numbers on them, so you can mix and match and get these exact colors that are outlined in the book. And different colors will treat different symptoms going on. So with that, I just photocopied one of the pages that's in the beginning of the book that has this color wheel on it, got it laminated, and then what I do here is take a pendulum and I hold the pendulum over the card here, and I'll ask it, so for me today, right now, what is the color that is best for me under the circumstances I'm in today? And as it's swinging, it is going strongly to green. And kind of see it's going to the green color. And it's really interesting how it will change day to day, or if you ask it very specifically for a symptom. And you can also do this, hold it over someone else. So if I had a person on the table here, I would just put this right over them and ask the same thing, which color is best for this person today with what they have going on. And it'll go to and just give you the best color that matches their energy. So that's just a super easy way of choosing the color. And I've already got green set up right here. This is just a lamp that I got from either Home Depot or Lowe's. And I've got it set so that it goes right over the massage table really easily, so I can use it with body work or with energy work, either one. And I'm going to turn this on. And normally in the treatment, I would turn the top light here off. For the video purposes, I'm going to leave it on. But now I've got this beautiful green light that's bathing over. And even though it's not directly on a lot of my skin, it is still going into the energy field, and I find it's highly effective even without being directly on the skin. So using it, just going through the energy field here, I usually have it so it is shining at least on someone's face a little bit, maybe their upper body or if their arms are exposed. And now I can do an energetic treatment within that. So super easy acupressure treatment for neurological or nervous system, kind of a resetter to get things balanced and flowing again. I like to combine acupoints that are upper body, lower body. So I'm going to look at 2 points, one in the wrist, pericardium 6. You can Google pericardium 6, Google image it if you need a better visual. But if you take 3 fingers, place it in your wrist crease here, so the top finger's right at the crease, about 3 fingers up is going to be pericardium 6 right in the middle of your tendons here. And it is on both sides. Pericardium 6. The other point is in the foot, and excuse the gracefulness here, bringing this up. So in between the big toe and the second toe bones here, if you follow in between the bones, here's the knuckle on the side of the foot, so you want to be right past that. Follow up, and there's a depression you fall into just past that knuckle. And this is liver 3. And again, you can Google image this if you need a better image of it. So it's on both feet. So pericardium 6 and liver 3 together create kind of a tone in the body that's very resetting to the nervous system. And so what I like to do with that is you can use different tools or different methods to combine the acupressure or the acupoint with sound, with light. So I have some tuning forks I love to work with. These are biofield tuning forks. It's one of my favorites. And this is a weighted fork, so if I hit, it's creating a vibration, and the vibration goes down through the handle here. So you hold it down here, and I can create that, put it on the point in the light. And now I've got a combination light and sound treatment going on. Both light and sound carry information, and thoughts are information, and so I can think to myself while I'm doing this and just feel the vibration and let this vibration and the light go and reset what it needs to reset in my body. Let this completely nourish, reorganize, heal my nervous system. Let this beautiful sound and this beautiful light go exactly where it's needed. Most benefit to my incredible, innate, intelligent body. And just kind of do some self-talk that's very positive, very healing, and tell the sound and the light to go and heal your nervous system. Work with the fluid or the electro energy in your brain. Whatever it is that you need to have happen, direct it there just with thought. And make it positive, and put a lot of gratitude for the information that's being carried in with your thoughts also. So in doing this, I would do 1 point over and over again, and with the vibration, what you're going to feel is it's going to start out like this, and then the more you do it, it starts to get longer, and you're just going to start to feel it more places in your body. And when that vibration is just long and smooth and you can feel it going around and doing things inside, that's when you're done. And it's usually maybe 8 to 12 times stimulations. It's not like an hour or anything. So you're going inside, you're feeling this wonderful information, healing information being carried through. Then you're going to go and do the same thing on the other side. And you're going to let that side balance all the way through in the same way. Just keep talking to it with your thoughts, sending loving, healing information to be carried inside. And after that, you're going to do your feet. And hopefully, somehow you can get to your feet pretty easily. And you do the same thing there. And the feet, you're going to feel that energy now coming up into the body, and it's going to feel different. It's going to go to different areas as it rises up. And you do one side until you really feel the smoothness. You can feel it activated, healing what it is that it needs to do, and then you do the other side. And that's a 4-point acu-treatment, well, 2 points, but 4 on the body, that combines light and sound. Now, with that, if you don't have tuning forks, you can acupressure the point and you can use your own voice. And you can just choose one of the vowels, a, e, o, u, that sound really good or feel really good to you. And for example, hold the point and voice tone. And you would repeat that in the same way. And now you've got your voice, which is powerful, and the light carrying that information and that vibration through you. Another thing that you can do is, this is an essential oil blend that I have that I like to use in energy work sometimes. And you can take and just take a drop of diluted essential oil, put it on the point, rub it in, and then use that as an additional layer. And then you've got the light and the plant medicine, and you can do a tuning fork or your voice right over that and blend that together and see how that feels. And you would do that on all 4 points. The last thing I want to show is this is a sonic slider tuning fork, and it's got a special handle on it. Biofield Tuning does this, and I really like this handle here. So it's got a little bit of a thick, wide end. It's easy to hold on to. And for resetting anything chronic in the body where there's a deep level of healing that's needed, I like to take this fork, hit it, vibrate it, and then press it right into the navel and kind of press it in. Doesn't have to be too deep, deep enough to feel the vibration, and you feel that wonderful vibration just spreading through your entire torso and wherever else it happens to go. So the navel is Ren 8, is the number of the acupoint. And the navel is a sacred point because this is our origin, our connection to original life. And whenever we need to be reset at a very deep level, or we need to be connected back to life, this is just such a beautiful point to use. And I love the way that the vibration goes through and it spreads from that point, and you can feel it just getting deeper and deeper into the body. So if you do that, if you have this, I would do that last. And alternately, if you do not have a tuning fork, you can take and hold your hands here and use your voice. Or you could take a crystal that you have that you like and hold that right over and press the crystal in and then use your voice. And with the light shining on you at the same time. So I hope this gives you some really good ideas, kind of a way to use a treatment like this. And I would love to hear any feedback that, if you try this on yourself, I would love to hear feedback on what happens, or if you have any questions at all. So good luck with that. Thanks.